Welcome back to Facebook Mastery. Today we're going to learn how to make an offer in Facebook. Now first, go to your Facebook page. As you can see here. Now, go to this button right here and click Offer over here. When you've clicked it, this window will pop up. And then first, pick the item that you want to post. Now, in this case, I will pick a simple coffee. Wait for it to load, and when it's done, now, in the description, put what kind of offer type that you want. I'll just put discount percentage and 20% off. Now for the item, I will write the description. I'll just type coffee. And when that's done, pick the date on when the offer is going to expire. I'll just put 28th of April at, I guess, 1 p.m. Where can people redeem this? I'll just click Install and you can write the address over here. Now, once that is done, click Publish right here. And when you scroll down, you can see the offer is right here. Now, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe.